Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue square ABCD along with this diagonal AC, as you can see in this given diagram. And moreover, we got this green shaded triangle ABE, and the area of this green shaded triangle is 12 centimeter square. And furthermore, this segment EC length is 8 centimeter. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue square ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And since we are dealing with this blue square ABCD, if I label this side length as lowercase a, then this side length is going to be lowercase a, and lowercase a across the board. And now, since we are interested in calculating the area of this blue square ABCD, and now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area is always equal to s square, where s represents the side length of the square. And in our case, the side length of this blue square is lowercase a. So therefore, the blue square area is going to be simply a square. So therefore, now our task is to find the value of a square. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this whole diagonal AC. We know only this segment EC length is 8 centimeter. So therefore, I'm going to label this segment AE length as 2 times x. And now you might be wondering, how come I used 2x instead of simply x? And since 8 is an even number, so no wonder I use this 2 times x as an even number as well. So therefore, this whole diagonal AC length is going to be 2x plus 8. And now in this next step, I am going to connect these 2 points B and D, as you can see in this next step. And we are ended up with this another diagonal BD. And both of these diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at this point F. And since we are dealing with this blue square ABCD, so therefore these two diagonals are going to bisect each other, and this angle has got to be 90 degrees as well. In other words, this segment AF is going to be equal to this segment FC, and likewise this segment DF is going to be equal to this segment BF. And now let's make an observation. We know that this whole diagonal AC length is 2x plus 8. So therefore, this segment AF length has got to be the half of this 2x plus 8. I can write down 2x plus 8 divided by 2. And this could be written as 2x divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2. That means this is going to give us x plus 4. So therefore, this segment AF length is going to be x plus 4. Likewise, this segment FC length is going to be x plus 4 as well. And likewise, this segment DF length is going to be x plus 4. And finally, this segment BF length is going to be x plus 4 as well. And now we are going to focus on this green shaded triangle ABE, whose area has been given to us as 12 centimeter square. So therefore, let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And the base of this green shaded triangle is simply this part, 2 times x. And the height of this green shaded triangle is going to be this BF, x plus 4, since this angle is 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So our area has been given to us as 12. for this green shaded triangle equals to a half times our base is 2 times x times our height is x plus 4. And now we can see this 2 and 1 divided by 2 cancel each other out. And now I'm going to distribute x over here. So therefore we could write 12 equals to x square plus 4 times x. And now I'm going to move this 12 on the other side as well. So therefore we are ended up with x square plus 4 times x minus 12 equals to 0. So therefore we are ended up with this quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0, and we are going to solve it for x by grouping and factoring. So therefore I'm going to tweak this middle term, 4 times x. 4 times x could be written as positive 6x minus 2 times x. And we know that positive 6 times negative 2 is indeed negative 12. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this middle term 4x with positive 6x minus 2x over here. And now we can see x is in common between first two terms and negative 2 is in common between last two terms. So therefore I could factor out x over here, ended up with x plus 6, and here I'm going to factor out negative 2. We ended up with x plus 6 equal to 0. And now we can see x plus 6 is in common. So therefore we could write x minus 2 times x plus 6 equal to 0. And now I'm going to separate these two factors. I could write x minus 2 equal to 0, and the other one is x plus 6 equal to 0. And here the first equation is going to give us x equals to positive 2. The second equation is going to give us x equal to negative 6. And we know x equals to negative 6 value is not feasible. So therefore we are going to reject x equal to negative 6 value, and we are going to accept x equals to positive 2 value. So thus our x value turns out to be positive 2. So therefore this segment AE length, which is 2 times x, is going to give us 4 centimeter. So therefore this whole diagonal AC length is going to be 8 centimeter plus 4, that is going to give us 12 centimeter. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle ADC. And bear in mind that this angle is our 90 degrees angle, since we are dealing with this blue square. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 12, whereas our two other legs are lowercase a and lowercase a as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got a square plus a square equals to 12 square. So we are ended up with 2 times a square equals to 144. Now we are going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate a square. This 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our a square value simply turns out to be 72. So therefore our a square value turns out to be 72. And we know our blue square area equals to a square. So therefore I'm going to replace a square with the 72 over here. So therefore our this blue square area turns out to be simply 72 centimeter square. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue square ABCD turns out to be 72 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.